Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to change your Play Store location. I made a couple of videos previously, but those videos, I guess there are some updates and they also works, but this one is just an updated way of doing it. So if you can see currently, my Play Store is, let's check the country first. So let's go head over to our settings and account, sorry, account preference, then yeah, sorry. So now you can see that, let me show you, let me show you guys. You can see that the account is currently in Nigeria. You can see it, Nigerian. So we are going to make this, we are going to change this, like I said. So first of all, you all know, as you all know, there's a lot of methods which I use in changing, in changing my Play Store location, but they all require VPN, which I will be using free VPN. I mean free VPN that is available in Play Store. So I'm going to be using this VPN called VPNify. Let's check it out in Play Store. Yeah, go to setting and VPNify. So this is the VPN right here. I think there is new update. I'm here to update mine, but you can just install it and use it. It's a good VPN. Actually, it's a good free VPN. So let's open the VPN. And no thanks. All right, so let's just connect to United Kingdom. Due to we are using free version, there will be some advertisement, so you just have to watch the ads. You don't have to watch it, you can just scroll and leave it at. You can see currently now I'm connected and that's good. So first of all, what you will do is you head over to your Play Store. I think the Play Store is open, so we are going to no. All right, so let all right, we are going to play it first. Then we head over to the setting, app info. Yours might not be like this. You can just go to your setting and you locate. When you go to your setting, you see application. When you click on it, you look for Play Store and you come to clear data and you just clear the cache. Don't clear all data, just clear the cache and you open. And boom, you can see our Play Store location has changed, and you can also see United Kingdom flag right here, which is, it is now in UK. Let's confirm that. Let's go over to our setting. Sorry. Let's go over to our settings. So you can see now the Play Store is in, you can see it's in United Kingdom. And that's it. So there is, if you use this method and it does not work out, what you just do is, if you have another Gmail in your phone, which make, you can just switch, you can switch between the, after you use this method, you can just switch from this, from your current Play Store to another Play Store, and it will work. Without this method will work without you don't have to clear the cache. Once you just, if you want to use that method, you just log in, you just connect your VPN, log in, and once you are in, you switch the Play Store you are currently in and open the Play Store. It will work that way. And I guess if you like this video, don't forget to comment, and if you have any other video you want me to do for you guys, comment it and I will make a video about it as well.